guys, welcome to another exciting moment on Surrogate, sponsored by Goldmine. It's exciting today as usual because it's about another menu that is tantalizing, that you are going to love. What we are doing today is sauce. Oh, you know that sauce that have Aroma as the base, and you can use it to eat your plantain. You can eat your white rice. Ooh, that is what I'm bringing to your view today. So basically, I have two types of dry fish here. Then I have my I have my igni. I don't know, this igni really excites me because this is an essential commodity. Hey, I'm not joking, no cap guys, no cap. This is an essential commodity. So I'm so excited having you. Thank you for coming to my table. So, I have Eru. Guys, this Eru. This Eru is all the way from Africa. Oh, nice one. And it smells so good. It's dried. Sincerely dried and clean. I have my habanero as usual. I have my oil. See, I am mixing two different kinds of vegetables together. The green jalapeno and the red bell. It has been washed. So I'm going to go take you through it. Then I have onion. Here. Onion. Of course, I have my Goldmine Aroma soup mix, So guys, fast. Let me start. I am going to wash this and cut it into soap. Let me drop it in water. Why is so? Because it's so dry. So this is my habanero. It goes inside my blender. My onions too. Put some water in here. So this has been cleaned and washed, but because it's dried, it has been air dried, and so let it soak just like this fish is doing. Because my brethren, don't let this oil bleach all the way. Just let it hot. When it's hot, then you pour your that habanero and the onion that you have blended into it. This is how you blend your pepper coarse. All right, guys. Choose your size. Which one do you want? Is it this or this? So, in Jesus' name we have prayed. So, guys, thank you for viewing today's episode of Surrogate. Kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment. All the details will be put in the description. Until we come your way again, keep on being good. Please love yourself like Kilode.